For many individuals and groups, the concept of health has diverse connotations. The definitions of good health have evolved over time as well. Nowhere is this shift more apparent than in contemporary Western society, where ideas about health and lifestyle are being expanded and scrutinized in novel ways. Health has primarily been viewed in the physical sense throughout much of the history of Western medicine. In other words, good health has traditionally been associated with the body's ability to function and carry out the necessary tasks required for basic survival. Poor health, meanwhile, has traditionally been associated with a malfunction or inability to survive unaided. According to medical definitions, health in this sense is the absence of disease or illness. In accordance with this viewpoint, promoting people's health entails offering medical care to treat or prevent illness and disease, with emphasis placed on supplying clean water, better sanitary conditions, and housing in order to maximize longevity. The World Health Organization questioned this physically and medically focused perspective on health in the late 1940s. Health is a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being and is not merely the absence of disease. World Health Organization, 1946. Rather than focusing solely on the physical, health and the individual were considered more holistically, accounting for the mind, the body, and the spirit. In the 1970s, emphasis was placed on the value of an individual's lifestyle and behavior in the prevention of disease and sickness. Targeted behaviors included smoking, being physically inactive, and having poor eating habits, because these were thought to raise the risk of disease. In order to promote health, it was necessary to offer not just medical care, but also programs and policies that would support individuals in maintaining healthy behaviors and lifestyles. While some people, the wealthiest members of society, benefited from this individualistic, healthy lifestyle approach to health, many who experienced poverty, unemployment, underemployment, or little influence over the circumstances of their daily lives saw little to no benefit from it. This was largely due to the fact that the social and environmental conditions of the individual were ignored. There has been a significant shift away from seeing lifestyle risks as the main contributor to poor health during the 1980s and 1990s. Health is now seen in terms of the social, economic, and environmental contexts in which people live, even though lifestyle elements are still crucial. The socio-ecological view of health refers to this comprehensive approach to health. At the first International Conference of Health Promotion, which took place in Ottawa, Canada in 1986, participants from 38 different nations agreed and stated that fundamental conditions and resources for health are peace, shelter, education, food, a viable income, a stable ecosystem, sustainable resources, social justice and equity. Improvement in health requires a secure foundation in these basic requirements. World Health Organization, 1986. This remark makes it clear that promoting healthy individual behaviors and lifestyles and offering proper medical care are only a small part of what it takes to foster good health. In order to make people healthy, it is necessary to address problems such as poverty, pollution, urbanization, the depletion of natural resources, social alienation, and unfavorable working circumstances. The social, economic, and environmental factors that influence health do not function apart from or independently of one another. Instead, they interact and are dependent upon one another, and the complicated relationships that exist between them are what establish the circumstances that encourage health and well-being. A comprehensive socio-ecological perspective on health argues that a strong social, economic, and environmental focus is necessary for its promotion. a charter that identified new pathways for health promotion based on the socio-ecological concept of health was developed during the Ottawa Conference in 1986. The Ottawa Charter for Health Promotion serves as the cornerstone of current health initiatives. It states that while examining the reach of health promotion, good health is a major resource for social, economic and personal development, and an important dimension of quality of life. Political, economic, social, cultural, environmental, behavioural and biological factors can all favour health or be harmful to it. World Health Organization, 1986. This broad concept of health promotion is given concrete meaning and action by the Ottawa Charter. It offers key methods and ideas for achieving universal health. Enabling people to increase control over and to improve their health is the overarching philosophy of health promotion that directs these key methods and approaches.